This small village in the countryside is nestled between lush green valleys. The villagers live in harmony with nature and animals, maintaining a balance in the ecosystem and utilizing natural resources wisely. Every morning, the village is filled with the sound of birds chirping and the scent of flowers. The villagers start their day with bright smiles, enjoying the natural beauty that surrounds them. The green rice fields stretch far and wide, with rice plants growing healthily in the nutrient-rich soil. In this village, the people make a living from gardening and farming. They plant vegetables, fruits, and other crops in the fertile soil. They also raise livestock, such as cows, goats, and chickens, which thrive in the green pastures. Other animals also live freely in the village, such as birds chirping in the trees and butterflies flitting between flowers. The villagers love the presence of these animals, as they add a sense of life and dynamism to the village. The natural beauty of the village is breathtaking. The towering mountains in the distance add a sense of grandeur and beauty to the village. The crystal-clear river flows gently through the village, providing a clean and fresh source of water for both the people and animals. The villagers greatly appreciate the natural beauty and animals they have. They maintain the cleanliness and sustainability of nature and treat animals with kindness and care. This village is an example of a harmonious life with nature and animals, where people can enjoy the natural beauty and live in harmony with their surroundings. At night, the village is filled with the sound of crickets and frogs lulling the villagers to sleep. The twinkling stars in the sky add a magical touch to the village. The villagers feel grateful for the natural beauty and animals they have, and they strive to preserve and protect them for future generations.